Da ni'n edrych ymlaen I groesawu blwyddyn 8 yn ôl i'r ysgol ar y 9fed o Fedi. We are looking forward to welcoming Year 8 back to the school on the 9th of September. Pan fyddwch chi'n teithio'r ysgol yn y bore, boed hynny mewn car, trafnidaeth ysgol neu yn cerdded, byddwch chi'n dod fyny ar hyd y llwybr yr ysgol tuag at y prif adeilad. Yna, byddwch chi'n troi i'r dde ac yn mynd ar hyd flaen yr adeilad. Parhau ar hyd y flaen yr adeilad nes dod at y drws sydd yn y canol. Dyma mynedfa blwyddyn 8. When you travel to school, that's being by car, school transport or walking, you will come along the footpath to the front of the school and then you will take a right. You will continue along the front of the school building, continue past the court and then you will come up to the centre door. This is the entrance for Year 8.